Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get out of the cave and fish it. So if you're in the pirate treasure room, don't go back to like the first area of the maze. You can actually there to go back because these stairs don't work. I did try that. Then you're just going to press teleport and press yes. And you'll be back to the Pirate's Cove in no time. So yeah, but you do have to go back through that way again, I think. So I already remember the maze. And yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.